こんばんは Tonight, we are going to make curry udon noodle soup because the other day I made curry and I have some leftover. Japanese curry is quite popular and also udon is getting popular at overseas. And also, curry udon noodle soup is popular in Japan. So, I should show how to make it. Let's get started. When you freeze your leftover curry, don't freeze potato. Potato will be really yucky. Hi. Okay, this is but hot still, of course. Curry udon noodle soup. Let's try this now. いただきますyummy. If you love Japanese curry and if you love udon, nothing wrong. It's really good because people just thought Japanese curry with rice, bit boring. You know, just arrangement. It's good. Be honest, that curry udon noodle soup is good for the cold day. Try, it's good. One of my favorite. I like it. Just hot. And then have a nice evening. See you next time. Bye.